Okay, so we are officially getting rid of the gray. I loved it, but it is time for something different. It's very, very bold. We are here. So this is day one. We are getting rid of this So here it is. Ta-da! Oh, there we go. I've had this vision for like a day and a half. I talked to my mom about it, and you know what? My mom always comes through for me. She always makes it happen. She painted the room for me. Honestly, I'm so thankful because if you know me, you know I cannot paint for anything in this world. So this is going to turn into my little me time spot, I guess, around the house, you know. So let's see, I have my blocks over there, I have my speaker, I have my little socks in this bag. Hopefully, like, they motivate me, you know. So I got fun little colors in there, colors that I normally wouldn't wear, but I got those there, especially the long ones, because if you know me, I tend to slip a lot. Speaking of that, this has saved my life. I got it on sale at, I think it was Home Goods or TJ Maxx, and y'all, it saved me so many times from so many different falls. And of course, I have my aloe mat over there. I really want to get the baby pink, but if I can keep this up for at least a month, I will treat myself. If not, nope. I have the towel, and I have the disc. Honestly, those plates and discs have saved me, like, for so, look. Y'all, these are lifesavers. Hey, I didn't take off the sticker. But y'all, they slide so smoothly, and they're just, honestly, I love them. If you don't have them, you need some. And I have my Pilates ring, the yoga spray, which I honestly did not use before because I was using the soap, the vinegar, and all these other things until you all know what happened with that mat. I brought that in, and of course those, I'm gonna be honest, I can't work with those just yet, so I'm still on debate on that blue one right over there. So let's see how long I can keep this up. I'm staying hopeful for at least a month, but it just looks so peaceful. If you remember, the room was very dark, and now it's all lightly and just feels good, you know.